Hello, let's open the laptop and see what can be upgraded. First, it is necessary to unscrew 10 screws. Carefully remove the bottom cover of the device under which is the motherboard. I use an opening tool to lift it. You can find the link to it in the video description. If you don't have experience and you're doing it for the first time, before opening it you can slightly lift the bottom part so it's not resting against the screen, to prevent it from cracking under pressure. First, I will disconnect the battery to prevent any short circuits. When you unscrew and screw the screws, hold them so they don't fall onto the board. To disconnect the battery, pull the connector down. SSD drive. DDR5 memory. Wi-Fi card. Charger type. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.